Good, happy Wednesday morning. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Rochester police urge gun owners not to leave firearms in unattended vehicles after spike in thefts. Almost a dozen firearms thefts from vehicles reported in 2019, most left unlocked. Police in Rochester have reported dangerous crime is on the rise, putting guns in the wrong hands. Officials issued a warning Tuesday about not leaving firearms and ammunition in your car. Police said car break-ins are up this year, and with guns being stolen, it puts everyone in danger. Since January, thefts from vehicles are spiking higher than any time in the past 5 years. More than 185 were reported so far in 2019. Most of those cars were left unlocked. In almost a dozen cases, firearms were stolen. Most of these motor vehicles are unlocked, but they do have firearms inside, sometimes loaded, sometimes ammunition inside the vehicle as well. And these people committing these crimes are now arming themselves. So, to speak with these firearms they find inside the vehicles, Captain Todd Pickham of the Rochester Police Department said. Rochester police say 5 guns were stolen from cars since August alone, leading them to urge people to lock cars, do not leave valuables in view, and do not leave guns unsecured and unattended in vehicles. It's very concerning. It's concerning to us from an officer safety standpoint as well as to the community. We don't know where these guns are going, who's getting these guns from these unlocked motor vehicles, and what are they going to do with these guns once they get them, Pickham said. The consequence can be far-reaching. A gun stolen last year was recovered at a crime scene in Boston, police said. And that is it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.